Hey there, everyone. Today I'm joined by
Napster WX.
LC Georgia EAS. Cardboard T-Bowl.
and today I have for unboxing, right after Cardboard T-Bolt unboxed his new Recom strobe.
I love it, by the way.
Awesome. I love mine. I'm glad that you're able to get one. Those things are the coolest.
Yeah.
So in here is a silent call. I forget what the model number is. I think it's XS something. But this is a different kind of strobe. It's more like a fire alarm type strobe. And this particular one, I think Silent Call made a few different variations of these. This particular one is one that I haven't really seen on videos before, but I don't know, it could just be that I haven't noticed it. I don't know how rare it actually is. But either way, I got this because I believe this will flash white, which is a flashing color that I've kind of been looking for a while. There it is. Looks to be actually brand new in box. I think this is the eBay seller information, or the packing slip. Okay, so the model number looks to be SC-WX67-L. Equipment property of the main Center on Deafness. Do not throw away the box. Interesting. Oh no, here's the model number. Weather Alert Light model number X67-L. So here is the manual paper. And apparently they want you to use Duracell 9-volt batteries, which I'm not going to do. Hopefully there's no battery in here. Although this does kind of look to be deformed. That's odd. Well, there is no battery, but the casing is kind of deformed. So I think this might actually not be brand new in box because it's got Sharpie writing on it. I think this was part of a system that was installed in a building or something, which is honestly even cooler than brand new in box. I guess the battery's gonna stay in there. And it looks like it's got a test button. Oh, interesting. That's not at all what I expected this to be. So this is actually pretty dim, but it's like a rapidly flashing incandescent light.
That's neat.
Yeah. And it's got, I forget what the term for this type of lens is, but it's got a special kind of lens that makes it to where you can see it from any direction. So that is pretty interesting. I'll plug this into this Midland WR300, early version 5. And do a siren test. Oh, yeah, it's working just fine. Alright, so that's going to be it for this unboxing of the Silent Call WX67-L Incandescent strobe light. So thank everyone for joining and for watching.